Dear students, myself Dr. Deepti Srivastav, Associate Professor in Zoology, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today we will discuss on suborder Ophidia. As you know, the order Squamata includes modern lizards and snakes. Modern lizards belongs to suborder Lacertilia and snakes belongs to suborder Ophidia. The main characteristic features of suborder Ophidia: limbs and girdles absent, vestigial hind limbs and pelvic girdle in boa, python, etc. Eyelids fixed, nictitating membranes absent, auditory openings and tympanum lost, maxillae, palatines and pterygoids movable, helping in biting mechanism. Mouth can be widely separated. Sternum, episternum and urinary bladder usually absent. Tongue slender, bifid and extensible. There are more than 3000 species of snakes on the planet, and they were found everywhere except in Antarctica, Iceland, Ireland, Greenland and New Zealand. About 600 species are venomous and only about 200, that is 7%, are able to kill or significantly wound a human. Non-venomous snakes, which range from harmless garter snakes to the not so harmless python, dispatch their victims by swallowing them alive or constricting them to death. Whether they kill by striking with venom or squeezing, nearly all snakes eat their food whole in sometimes astoundingly large portions. Almost all snakes are covered in scales, and as reptiles they were cold blooded and must regulate their body temperature externally. Scales serve several purposes. They trap moisture in arid climates and reduce friction as the snake moves. There have been several species of snakes discovered that are mostly scaleless, but even those have scales on their bellies. Snakes also have forked tongues which they flick in different directions to smell their surroundings. That lets them know when danger or food is nearby. Snakes have several other ways to detect a snake. Openings called pit holes in front of their eyes sense the heat given off by warm-blooded prey, and bones in their lower jaws pick up vibrations from rodents and other scurrying animals. When they do capture prey, snakes can eat animals up to 3 times bigger than their head is wide because their lower jaws unhinge from their upper jaws. Once in a snake's mouth, the prey is held in place by teeth that face inward, trapping it there. About once a month, snakes shed their skin, a process called ecdysis that makes room from growth and gets rid of parasites. They rub against a tree branch or other object, then slither out of their skin head first, leaving it discarded inside out. Most snakes lay eggs, but some species like sea snakes give live birth to young. Very few snakes pay any attention to their eggs, with the exceptions of pythons, which incubate their eggs. Most snakes live on land, but there are about 70 species of snakes that live in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Sea snakes and their cousins, kraits, are some of the most venomous snakes that exist, but they pose little threat to humans because they were shy, gentle, and their fangs are too short to do much damage. Now, differences between snakes and lizards. Suborder Lacertilia or Sauria and suborder Ophidia or Serpentina. Lizards. First, body elongated lizard like, while snakes body slender, narrow, snake like. Second, limbs and girdles usually well developed. In snakes, these are absent, vestigial hind limbs and pelvic girdles in boa, python, etc. Third, eyelids movable, nictitating membranes present, but in snakes, eyelids fixed, nictitating membranes absent. In lizards, ear openings and tympanum present, where in snakes, auditory openings and tympanum lost. Maxillae, palatines and pterygoids fixed in lizards, while in snakes, these skull bones freely movable, helping in biting mechanism. In lizards, two rami of mandible firmly united anteriorly, mouth non-extensible. In snakes, mandibular rami jointed by an elastic ligament and can be widely separated during swallowing of large prey. In lizards, sternum, episternum and urinary bladder usually present, while these are absent in snakes. Premaxillae bear conical teeth in lizards and premaxillae are toothless in snakes. Tongue rarely nosed or extensible, while in snakes tongue slender, bifid and extensible. In lizards, caudal autotomy with regeneration in some lizards. In snakes, caudal autotomy does not occur. Both lungs equally developed in lizards, while in snakes, left lung greatly reduced. There are about 3,800 living species of lizards and 3,000 living species of snakes are present on earth. In lizards, single occipital condyle is present in this occipital segment of skull, while in snakes occipital condyle distinctly triple. Jugal bone present in lizards and jugal bone is absent in snakes. Cerebral hemispheres are short, in snakes extremely elongated and project between the eyes. In lizards, 12 pairs of cranial nerves are present, while in snakes only 10 pairs of cranial nerves are present. Examples of lizards are, as you know, Hemidactylus, Calotus, Uromastrix, Varanus, Chameleon, Draco, Heloderma, Iguana, Ophisosaurus, etc. Examples of Snakes are Typhlops, python, boa, Lycodon, Eryx, Naza, Bungarus, viper, hydrophis, Carotellus, etc. Thank you.